Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire now updating to the latest version so you can enjoy new features and bug fixes. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. A weak connection can prevent app updates. Then, head over to your settings app and go to iPhone storage and make sure or ensure that your phone has enough storage to update. Then delete unnecessary files or app if needed. Next, turn your phone off and on again to refresh your device system. Then open the App Store or iPhone or Play Store or Android, search for Disney Solitaire and tap update if available. Then on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Disney Solitaire, Storage and Clear Cache. If still fails, long press on the Disney Solitaire app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, Disney, and then search for Disney Solitaire. Then reinstall the latest version of your app. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire now updating to the latest version. Subscribe for more quick fixes.